Yeah. Hi, welcome to AutoMaxx of Aberdeen. My name is Daniel, or everybody calls me Chief. That's my nickname. We're in right now a 2013 Ford F150. It's an FX4. Nice thing about this is it's got upgrades all over. Really nice truck. It's got 52,000 miles, leather interior, adjustable seats, electric, both front, driver side and the passenger side. Has a hard top for a tonneau cover, and then the tailgate has a step built in. Really nice truck. It's an FX4, but it's really close to a Lariat package as far as options and their features. Let me go over some of the options that we do have in here. Of course, on your steering wheel, you're going to have standard selections you can go into for fuel economy, for features as far as the trip meter, your how much distance to empty, how much gas mileage you're getting. You can turn off some of the settings, traction control, things like that. Of course, your cruise control, your hands-free touch for your phones, for the radio itself. This one has a really nice feature. It does have the trailer brake control for electric trailers, or for your trailers with the electric controls. It also has, of course, the four-wheel drive, but it has a really nice feature of an electronic or a magnetic lock for the rear axle. So you pull that button out, it locks the rear axle, which is a really nice feature. You don't have to get out of the vehicle. You know, get pretty much it controls that, takes into four-wheel drive, gives a little bit more boost. And then you go into the center console here. You got your, of course, you know, your telephone, your Bluetooth for all your calls. It also has navigation on the center display. So you can go in here and you're going to display navigation. That's built in. It's got a backup camera. With this, of course, your climate controls, heated, cooled seats in the front for both. Your hill descent mode, which controls the vehicle as the truck, so it doesn't go too fast if you're going down a steep hill. Traction control itself is there. Of course, you have multiple hookups for power for your cell phone or for your laptop if you want to hook that up. Center console is massive. You got plenty of room in here. Once again, multiple hookups for USB, SD card, and you also actually have connections for an auxiliary for a DVD player, for movies and things like that to go on the center display screen. And with this, you also have a huge glove box. Plenty of room for all your storage, for the owner's manuals and things like that. Back seats. All these Fords nowadays are massive. Leather interior, front and back, of course, and then has a sunroof up top here. With that sunroof, you also have your garage door controls, so you can actually have up to 3 controls on this built in, so you got to worry about having a separate device for all that. Sunglass case or sunglass holder. All in all, again, really nice truck. If you're interested, come on down to AutoMaxx of Aberdeen. Come and see us, and we'll be glad to take you on a test drive. This truck isn't going to last long. And this is on Truck Tuesday, so we'll see what we can do. All right, you guys have a good day. Bye.